Hi, I'm Laura, and I'm here with my dog Sofie. And today I'd like to take you through a short guided relaxation or yoga nidra, also called yoga sleep. And the intention is simply to allow you to relax, to get comfortable, to release some of the stress that's in your body. So just as Sofie's done, please feel free to get yourself comfortable, maybe lying on your bed, on a couch, on a yoga mat. Make sure you're nice and warm and that you won't be disturbed for the next 10 minutes or so. So you can really allow yourself to sink in to this practice and to get all the benefits of being fully relaxed. So once you've found your comfortable space, wherever that might be, begin to notice the back of your body. Noticing the heaviness along your spine, through your heels, through the back of your head. And know that for the next several minutes, there is nothing for you to do, and there is nowhere for you to be. You are precisely where you need to be. You can allow yourself to surrender and simply be. Drawing your attention to your toes. Relax your toes. The soles of your feet, top of your feet, ankles, lower legs. Relax the backs of your knees, kneecaps, quadriceps at the fronts of your thighs, hamstrings at the back. Relax deep into the hip sockets, feeling your entire pelvis soften and grow heavy. Relax your buttocks. Become aware of your entire lower body, fully relaxed. Taking your attention to your fingers. Relax fingers, palms, backs of your hands, wrists, lower arms, elbows, upper arms. Relax both shoulders, collarbones, shoulder blades. Relax armpits, sides of your rib cage, sides of your waist. Relax your chest, your stomach, even your internal organs. Relax your throat, neck, the spot where head and neck meet. Relax your jaw, mouth, cheeks. Relax your nose. Relax eyebrows, eyes, feeling your eyeballs grow heavy in their sockets. Relax the spot between your eyebrows and allow your forehead to feel soft and free of worry. Relax temples, scalp, noticing your entire face, head, neck, fully relaxed. Relax your entire physical body. Feeling both feet, both legs, your entire pelvis and torso fully relaxed. Both hands, arms, shoulders, fully relaxed. Your face, neck, entire head, fully relaxed. Feel your whole self fully relaxed. And know that you can stay here, simply allowing yourself to continue this relaxation. Or if it's time for you to move ahead with your day, begin to gently wiggle fingers, toes, reawakening your physical self as you come out of this Shavasana with Yoga Nidra and move on to whatever life has in store for you today. Knowing that the light inside of me recognizes and honors that same light in each of you. Namaste.